Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will introduce my software. Okay, so that is Advanced Educational Management System, and this make with Python Django framework. Let me go to the content that we'll discuss as per the introduction, existing system, vision system difference, the cost benefit of our process model, and other things. Let me discuss about this. At first, what is this system? This system is advanced educational management system. Of course, why advanced? Because of that, it's a combination of learning management system and school management system. Okay, so if we differentiate between existing system and present system, in existing system, you can see it's a traditional school management system. Just everything is locally maintained. In existing system, normally you can see that in modern system, we can manage everything in dynamically, and it will be everything online. Okay, the modern integrated system designed for both school management and course selling. We integrated both system, and then manual processing for course enrollment, school management, etc. Just mean anyone, any student in the world can enroll this course, and a institute can offer their best course in their website. Okay, so that is a great thing. There's a separate system for managing school operators and operations and course sales, leading or to data duplication, etc. We can see in the existing system that is limited or no support for online courses. Thus, we can see is majority of school or university doesn't have that kind of support. But in our management system, dynamic management system, we have the powerful platform for managing school operations and course sales, reducing data redundancy. Then what we can say is real-time data access and analysis easy to understand. And one thing is that it's less security, but it's more security and accurate data. It's always provide you accurate data and it's more secure. Okay, let's discuss about the cost benefit. Okay, so in this web application, okay, we need some investment. For what? For the maybe domain, maybe a better hosting plan, okay, and other things, other some security features and things. Then one thing is for development process. Okay, we need to invest for the developers. We need to invest for the designer also. Maybe we need to hire graphic designer for maintain all kind of banners and other kind of things in the web pages. Okay, and other things like marketing and other kind of uh, cost may be included in product. So we add just a demonstration. Okay, there was a demo idea about a total investment, and it's a cost analysis of advanced educational management systems. It's a demo idea. Okay, then what is will be that it will be a benefit analysis and advanced education management system. Now, how can this can be benefit? Also, we are selling courses, so people will come here and purchase the courses, and that will be a benefit. Then let's discuss about the software process model. We use an agile method. So what is this? It's a simple software process method. Its methodology is based for continuous collaboration and improvement, like a discussion, analysis, and question and testing, etc. That means after making this software, we doesn't stop this. Okay, developer will continuously work on this. So this method is, I think, best for our system. Then the functionalities if we use, we have many more functionalities, but some of them are like a course listing and at first user registration and authentication, course enrollment, search and filtering, enrollment, payments, progress tracking, and other kind of dealing things. And also we have separate student, teachers, and admin dashboard. Okay. Then course and curriculum management, separate dashboard, you can see that, and attendance tracking, result tracking. Look, attendance and result can be updated by the teachers or staff, and it will be shown in the teachers dashboard, student dashboard, and admin dashboard. So that everyone can see this attendance and result of every student, but only teachers can take the attendance, update the results. Okay. Okay. And then leave management system, so student directly can apply for any kind of application or leave, and the teacher can appropriate details or a simple data fluent diagram. And that is our use case. That is just for nothing. Like authentication first we need. So without creating any kind of account, we cannot enter this website. Okay. Backend we cannot, but in frontend, if we need to pursue the process, we need to enter. Okay. Then that is the frontend size. Like user will be register, login, browse codes, process codes, and that's it. And that is our backend part. And that's mainly follow the school management system. As this student separate dashboard, teacher separate dashboard, and admin separate dashboard. All we mainly maintain one of them. Okay, that's it. Then that is a simple process of your diagram. That's with integrated relationships like reports, managers, staffs, then readers, then books, festival, publisher, everything. We make what kind of relationship. Mainly in one word, we actually mention all the kind of main functions on there that can be related with the entity. Okay. Then that is our data scheme diagram for SQLite. We use SQLite 3D database. Okay, because it's an embedded PHP database management system. Follows a self-contained serverless and zero configuration model. Okay, then that is our landing page. That is a single code space. Boards will be displayed on there like this. That is our admin, and that is our backend. Release model system for the execution system. That is the administrator or department head. Okay, but you can find out there. That is in charge of the on the student. So, for the ability test, let's talk about the new system. Internet connectivity, learning curve, operating warming, customization, complexity. Like, if anyone use this software, they must need to learn about how to maintain it. So that may be a simple limitation. Maintain the performance of the website. They must need to continuously update it with the developers. Okay, without this, just very we will slow down. Only developer can make it this. Okay, but in the front side and like system development, everything is in your finish, so it will be not that kind of limitation. Okay. The feature or we can integrate of machine learning in our school and learning management system, and also the artificial intelligence. We can include the chat GPT, we can include the Dani AI and other kind of AI models. So that the intelligence will go to our next level. Okay, we can create a module test system or AI-based system that can be done. Of course, our project is created with Python. Okay, so we can integrate with the microservices architecture. Okay, it's an independent development system. It's based for more flexibility and efficiency system for make our web application. Then we can integrate API integration like others kind of framework like ChatGPT store or any others kind of API we can integrate it with our system. Then mobile friendly mobile apps application we need it can be in mobile applications. Then there's we work on Android or iOS and every kind of scenario. We can use Python TV framework TV library for make this cross platform applications. Okay. Then real time collaboration. Okay, sources like chat, podcast, classroom, and that may be created in both channels framework to enhance the interactive learning environment. Okay. And what we can add, we can also add third-party services like Google Meet and other things, and accounting management. We can add accounting management in future in or admin section, or we can add or we can create a separate dashboard for account manager. Okay. And first synchronization based analysis system we can add. Okay, and that will be based on OpenCV Python. Okay, if we can add the first synchronization based analysis system, then that will be a great update. Okay, so we have this plan for the future of okay in our educational management system. Then that's it. Thank you so much. Now we all go into our final project or our shortcut. Okay, thank you.